At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance.
Good morning everybody. India is celebrating the 74th Independence Day 2020, August 15th. National Central School, Ezhankulam, at all time gives due importance to all festivals and all occasions and give ample opportunity to our children to participate both national, religious as well as harvest festivals. Our motto is to inculcate values like unity, integrity, nationalism and patriotism among our children. Our freedom struggle movement is unique and unparalleled in the world in the sense that Satyagraha, a new or a novel weapon that was used during the freedom struggle movement. No other freedom struggle movement had ever used this weapon as a tool in their freedom struggle movement. Our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, with his charismatic power, united all the groups of people from different walks of life to attain freedom for India. So millions of people, thousands of people sacrificed their life to win freedom for us. So we keep always that sacrifice in our mind while celebrating this occasion. Likewise, Rabindranath Tagore, who composed national anthem for us, not only a poet, he also a dramatist, novelist, short story writer, too composed a national song for our neighboring nation, Bangladesh. So no other poet got this opportunity to compose a national anthem for a neighboring nation. So during this occasion of violence and chaos in the world, Gandhian principles of truth and non-violence and Satyagraha has relevance than before. Thank you, children.
I am Nirina Levington of class 10. Today I am standing here to say a few words about Independence Day. As we all know, today is the 74th Independence Day of India. Freedom is something that we all cherish. All of us likes to be independent and none of us likes to be enslaved by others. We all love being independent. It gives us a notion of freedom. Like every individual, each and every country has the right to acquire independence for practicing their own beliefs and values. Many years ago, our country India was not like what it is today. We had a different scenario here. We were puppets who danced to the tunes of the Britishers. They tortured and hanged Indians for even disobedience. They used inhuman torture techniques to extract confessions, executed those who opposed their rule, and massacred millions of people including women and children. They also did many barbaric things which were against the local customs like playing music in Taj Mahal, organizing parties at mosques, etc. But at last, the Britishers got wiped out from India as a result of many great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. the British had to quit India and India saw the dawn of freedom on 15th August 1947. At last, the good won over the evil. Each year, as a celebration of our victory over the Britishers, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Each Independence Day celebration depicts a moment of glory and pride. On this special occasion, rich tributes are paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives and fought to free their motherland from the clutches of the oppressors. It is celebrated in every town and every city of India. But it is celebrated with great pomp and show at the Red Fort. Here the Prime Minister hoists the national flag and delivers a patriotic speech. Besides this, cultural programs are also displayed here. Lakhs of people gather at the Red Fort to celebrate Independence Day. They shout patriotic slogans and sing the national anthem in unison. Similar events take place in state capitals where the chief ministers of individual states unfold the national flag, followed by parades. On this day, government buildings get illuminated at night. At schools, march past and cultural programs are held in connection with Independence Day celebration, and the national flag is also hoisted. Sweets are distributed among teachers and students at the end of the function. Independence Day initiates a feeling of patriotism in each and every Indian. It reminds us that the freedom that we are enjoying today is the result of the hard work of many great people. They shed their sweat and blood to free our country from the Britishers. So have respect for the people who are behind this freedom, our country, and the freedom fighters. Also remember that when we are enjoying freedom, many people are still fighting for it. So enjoy the fruit of freedom that we have fought and gained. And wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning to the respected chief guest, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Today's day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their entire life for the nation's freedom. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. Today, we have the right to choose our government. We all are fortunate that we took birth in an independent India, but we cannot take this independence for granted. We all must contribute for the development of our country so that no country can imagine to rule over us again. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country's development and progress. Let us pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country in the world. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।